This is a 2020 BMW K1600B, and the B stands for bagger, and this is one hot rod bagger. BMW hit it out of the park with this bike. It's got power, performance, great styling, comfort, safety features. It is a limited edition color called Lupin Blue. And even though it's sunny out today, this color is just incredible. You have to see it. I'm not sure the video will even do it any justice. Now, the bike only has 7,127 original miles on it. It packs a 6-cylinder 1600cc engine, pumping out around 160 horse, about 126 foot-pounds of torque. This bike has all the performance you'll ever need. Now it has electronic performance modes and also electronic suspension modes. On the performance side, it has a rain mode, which keeps you from spinning out on the tires because of all the horsepower and torque when it's rainy out. It has a road mode for just cruising, and then it has a dynamic mode, which is full on, full power, full throttle response. Now it also has 6 suspension modes that are also electronic. It has a road mode, which is a little stiffer, and then it has a cruise mode, which is just running down the slab, the interstate, take out all the little bumps in the road. Inside both of those modes, it has a 1-up setting, 1-up with luggage, and then a 2-up. So you can find exactly the sweet spot for whatever kind of riding you're doing, whatever the conditions may be. Of course, it has heated grips, cruise control. It has a GPS navigation unit that has been upgraded from the standard BMW one to a Zumo XT. The stock handlebars have been changed to Gila bars, which gives this bike a really great riding position for you. Very, very comfortable. The stock seat has been changed out for a Russell custom seat, and I've put about probably 100 miles on this bike, and this seat is super comfortable for you and your passenger. It has dual heat controls for those chilly days. Of course, heated grips, and the grip buddies have been added because the BMW grips are a little bit narrow. Adjustable levers, great stereo system with Bluetooth. Instead of highway pegs, it has highway boards to give you a little bit extra position for your feet when you're on a long distance ride. And hidden underneath them is the engine guard. Now this bike is equipped with the premium package, which gives you the quick shift. And basically what that means, it's like a sport bike. If you're on the throttle, don't let off, you can pop it up into the next gear without having to use the clutch. And actually, when you get the hang of that, it is actually smoother than you can operate the clutch with when you shift. They put the little pad on the kickstand, keep it from going through the dirt or through the asphalt when you stop. The little battery covers on each side. The saddlebag guards have been added, which is a nice feature. In case it ever falls over, you don't trash your saddlebags. Central locking on the saddlebags. Now the exhaust has been changed. The stock BMW exhaust is so quiet you're not even sure the bike is running. So it has been swapped out for black Freedom slip-on mufflers. They're not real loud, but you can hear the bike running, and when you twist the throttle, Has a great sound. Third taillight has been added below the license plate. Now up front, it has the LED lights that are adaptive. And basically what that means is they adapt to when you're leaning and going around a curve. They will adapt to that lean and curve so you have full visibility. And since the headlight unit is probably pretty expensive, a headlight guard from Aeroflow has been added, and you can pop it right off to clean it. The driving lights / fog lights right here are standard, and they have a little flip up lid if you want just white, down for a foggy day. And then auxiliary driving lights have also been added. And here's the oil cooler, and it has the oil cooler guard has been added, and then a radiator guard has also been added. ABS brakes, traction control, nice custom BMW wheels. The tires are new. Just a very highly accessorized K1600B. The windshield has been replaced with an aftermarket that has a flare to it, and it is electronic, so you can raise it and lower it to wherever you like. And when you find the sweet spot for you, when you turn the bike off, it will automatically lower. And when you start the bike again, it will go back to its last position. Now a bag has been added, a little Wunderlich bag up on the dash. Put some of your gear in. This is just a super bike. There's your key fob. Tell you what, the stock seat is pretty comfortable on these bikes, but this Russell custom seat is just awesome. Great color out here in the sun, huh? Well, if you're in the market for a new touring bike and you want to cover all the bases with performance and style, you need a little sport bike blood in your touring bike to get out and rip the twisties, this is the bike for you. This 2020 limited edition Lupin Blue 1600B is just an incredible machine. If you have not ridden one, you need to. For information on how to put this beauty in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. You can be reached at 417-343-3696. Our prices are out the door. I don't charge the surcharges and the prep fees and the setup fees and the freight fees and the dock fees and all the other mystery fees that you seem to get stuck with. I said, the price is out the door. This bike is priced very competitively. Give us a holler. Can be reached on the web also at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you for watching our video.